Hey guys, welcome to the Anchor Show. My name is Andrew, and I'm glad that you found this channel. Have you ever wanted to do something, felt the urge to do something and just ignore it? Or you feel like you have a calling to do something but continue to ignore it? Well, that's me. So I'm a mental health therapist. In previous jobs, I've worked as a career counselor and many other things. I served in the military, done a lot with my life, right? And I've always had this inclination, this feeling, this urge that I need to reach the masses. I need to create a channel that allows me to, reach a wide audience of men, young men, boys, grown men, just men of all ages. But just always kind of like put it off to the side, Part of that reason is because me personally, I am a behind the scenes kind of guy. I don't like I'm so out of my comfort zone right now doing this. However, I am convinced that this is something that I must do. And so here comes the creation of this channel, The Anchor Show. On The Anchor Show, I'll be addressing topics, just typical topics that surround men, mental health, mental well-being, mental struggles, and just about all the common struggles that men face nowadays, right? We live in a society right now where I feel there's so much unexpected or unrealistic expectation, I should say, for men. And as a result, it's a lot of men out there that is just experiencing a lot of pressure, a lot of struggles, and quite frankly, doesn't really have an outlet, doesn't have anybody to go talk to about that kind of stuff. And so that, negatively impact their lives. It affects their ability to function at home as a family man, whether they're a father, a spouse, and it also affects their ability to function effectively in the workspace, right? So, there's this myth out there that, says that pretty much if you're a guy, you should be strong, you should be tough, you should be macho, and, you shouldn't be having no kind of mental issues, that makes you weak. Well, I'm here to bust that myth. That's rubbish. I'll tell you straight up, that's foolishness. In fact, recognizing that you're dealing with some sort of mental struggle or mental illness or any kind of emotional struggle and taking that step to go and seek help, that is actually more manly than anything else. Because to be a real man is to understand your strengths, or at least one of the traits of being a real man is to understand your strengths, but also understand your weaknesses. And the idea is to strengthen those weaknesses once you've identified them. So if mental illness or emotional, illness or is a weakness, then the goal is to strengthen it, right? So that's the reason why I created this channel. Excuse me. So my goal is to create a community, a safe space, a space where I can talk about all the struggles that men experience, and we can, have a dialogue in the comment section. Eventually, I'm going to be doing things like workshops, right? Mental health workshops, and just really owning in on mental well-being. I think that a lot of guys' kryptonite is lack of emotional intelligence. When you're not emotionally intelligent, that can lead to all kinds of negative stuff. And so it is vitally important for us men to understand our emotions, be able to understand and identify what it is that we're feeling, and more importantly, have the intelligence and the strength and the courage to either talk about it or go seek help. You can find help in the likes of a pastor if you go to church, for example, a mentor if you have somebody who you look up to, you can seek help from a therapist. That's what I do, right? By the way, disclaimer, this is not going to be a therapy session. It might be therapeutic, but it's not a therapy session. So don't come here thinking that, this is a therapy session, because it's not. So I got to make that distinction, but my goal is to be able to positively impact the lives of as many people as I can. I am looking to grow a community, again, create a safe space where we can discuss any topic, all the topics, all the things that impact the life of men. And, eventually we're going to do things like workshops, and, I'm going to create self-help guides so that, you could just download, a guide for any particular mental illness or any kind of, emotional struggle. And you can use these guides to just kind of help yourself to improve your current condition and become a better version of yourself, right? So if you're interested in learning about mental well-being and emotional intelligence and having honest, raw conversation regarding, men's struggles, this is a channel for you, right? Again, I'm looking to grow my community. This is just the beginning. I'm just getting started. So please show some love by subscribing to the channel. And if you like the content, please give it a thumbs up. Turn on the notification bell so you know when I post a new video, which again will be weekly. And another important thing is share the video. If you know somebody who can benefit from the information I'm putting out, share the video, right? This is just a space for honest conversation, uplifting, positive, motivating conversation. And sometimes you'll find things that are actionable, steps you can take to actually improve your current situation. So thank you. If you've been watching this far, thank you for sticking around. I do appreciate it. And I look forward to seeing you guys in the next video. Until then, more peace. So let's continue to grow, evolve, and transform into the best version of ourselves. Peace out.